You can just go, man. Because I'll walk. So we have Aston Martins right here.
There's an opening.
Yo, I can just climb, man. I don't have to go in between the opening. Okay, so Bentley now apparently has an SUV model. It's pretty cool. Yo, would your parents consider this, John?
Yeah.
How much is it? 266 grand. It does. I think this is the Grand Sport. Okay, GT Continental. Looks really good.
That's what.
Fisher Karma. It's been a while. I haven't seen a Fisher Karma. Looks good. Looks good.
It's a Karma Rivero from a new car company in California.
Oh yeah, so they bought it, or?
So Chinese conglomerate Wansheng, they bought Fisker when Fisker went bankrupt like 4 years ago.
Okay.
Built a new car company in California with 1,000 American employees. They used to be manufactured in Finland when it was Fisker. Now it's made in the USA.
Okay.
And now it's being rebuilt by Rolls-Royce. In this market, it's sold at the same location as Rolls-Royce, but our companies are unrelated. Other than that,
is this still fully electric, just like the old one?
It was a hybrid before. It's still a hybrid.
Okay, it's a hybrid.
It's driven by the electric motors, rear-wheel drive, 981 foot-pounds of torque. But when your battery runs low at 80 kilometers, then a generator creates electricity for 400 kilometers of additional driving.
900 torque?
981.
That's a lot of torque.
Yeah, it's more torque than just about anything in the whole building.
How does the rear drive shaft not get torn off like that?
Well, the two motors feed directly into the transaxle, so it's a relatively minor number of contact points.
So it's actually two electric motors in the back.
And they both feed into the same transaxle.
Cool.
It's not individual?
That's right. And each doesn't lead to a separate tire. They both feed the same axle at the transaxle.
All right.
So actually, you mean to say those two electric motors on its own would actually produce more torque?
With Rolls Royce as well. The Phantom. No, this one is the Phantom. This one, I'm not sure which one is it. I think it's the. Okay, Dawn. This one is the Dawn. This one is the Phantom, if I'm not wrong. It's convertible. This one is the Wraith. Cool. Yep.
Yeah, it is a lot more.
1,000 horsepower, man. Oh, that one is the affordable one. The black one. It looks good, no? It looks good, man. The GTB.
And you say the black one is affordable?
It's supposed to be the most affordable one.
Yeah.
No, it's very cool. So we are training. We are working.
Lamborghini Hurricane.
Huh?
Looks so good.
Hurricane?
Hurricane. Damn. It must be. Is the guy a superstar?
I can't see how a tall guy would fit in this. Your like top half of the head is always outside of the car. They have that same.
On Facebook advertisings, how to be how to make money with social networks.
Yeah, you gotta think about it. Lamborghini is probably the cheapest.
For only $400, my training sessions will make you a very successful man. You know what the fuck I'm talking about, though? Oh shit, 500 grand, what the fuck?
Aventador, what the fuck do you think?
I've seen some Arabs with this car.
Is the best.
It is. It looks great, man. So in China,
How that guy got to sit in the car? He's like, I'm really interested in buying it.
maybe he's a superstar and you don't know him. Because even he is a superstar, right? From Quebec, you wouldn't know him because you don't watch the episodes.
I don't like the car.
Nah, not the boss, not the best to represent.
Maybe that's why they sent it to the car show.
J Chu has one, McLaren.
Quebec fucking changed.
Wow, two of a Ferrari too. No, it has a Liberty Walk body kit. That's what you can do, John. Audi sits in your Volkswagen.
That's a Civic.
Yeah. S14.
What the fuck?
What's this? Oh, it's what?
A1.5. What the fuck is this?
I think it's a cabriolet, Volkswagen cabriolet with the Audi body kit. Oh shit, there's other cars here. Black cars. Hey, Slick Mod! The stock seats are too cheap, so he had to buy a car. Hey, reminds me of his car. They all look the same.
Forget about driving this car.
I don't know, rich people have weird taste. Like, I would never make my GTR like this. Lance Revolution.
You do know that GTR is 5 years old, right?
Yeah. Ah, that's so cute. Is that the Beetle you were talking about?